Akash Sureka, founder of TheNoah.ai, also former MD JP Morgan, also former NVIDIA, Microsoft, and Motorola alumni. 95% of AI projects, they fail. Why? Because people are taking large models, trying to retrofit in workflows where it doesn't work, right? It may work with a lot of good English use cases, but putting up in various other bespoke company use cases might not give you optimal result, because that requires a lot of work on top of it, right? Which is where we come in, right? We saw companies, we met a lot of CIOs in last few months and last year as well, just to understand what kind of problems they're going in the AI world. Obviously, AI is inevitable. Obviously, AI needs to be there, implemented, adopted, and experimented with for the right outcomes for the businesses, whether it is about cost reductions, whether it is about productivity increase, whether it is about customer experience improvements, or whether it is about revenue increments. All of that, AI is definitely going to help. But at the same word of time, all of the companies we met, just to get an understanding of what are the problems they're facing, we saw a lot of companies spending months and years on POCs, right? Proof of concepts. We saw a lot of companies having high amount of failure rates, which is what Gartners and MITs are saying. We saw they're spending a lot of money, lot of resources, lot of talent, yet with poor outcomes. The result is the board is asking now, hey, if you want to spend millions of dollars, what's the ROI? Right? Can you show me some outcomes? People want to see what AI is going to give you, which is where I'm very, very glad after spending months and years, after having seen all of these companies of various sizes in last many, many years of my own decade of experience, after seeing what do they go through at every use case level and the business outcomes they want, I'm very glad to launch world's first fully pre-trained, full stack, zero code AI platform as a service, which is called as TheNoah.ai. Now, what does TheNoah.ai do, right? As I said, the TheNoah.ai abstracts the complete complexities around AI technologies for companies, whether it is about models, whether it is about machine learning models, whether it is about generative models, whether it is about agentic platforms, whether it is about agents, autonomous agents, semi-autonomous agents, or agents who coordinate with each other, whether it is about integrations with a lot of your applications, whether it is about search across your applications using AI natural language queries, whether it is about interactions with your applications and data sources using natural language queries, and whether it is about getting proactive insights and analytics which are more actionable in nature using agentic AI, right? We bring in all of that, fully abstracting the technology and giving a zero code, full stack, fully pre-trained AI platform as a service. What it means is, because they're fully pre-trained, they are made at a use case level, the whole contextuality of every use case across every workflow, across every industry has gone through it, which is where we're preloading all of the pre-trained use cases, all of the pre-trained verticals and business functions, whether it's HR, finance, legal, IT, project management, product management, supply chain, ERP, you name it and we have it. Similarly, all the verticals, BFSI, healthcare, manufacturing, automotive, hospitality, real estate, green, energy, all of that is preloaded. We've gone through every use case level. We have understood the business outcomes required at the business case, and we have created models around it. Right? Now, this necessarily may not require generative models everywhere, because a certain use case may have a business outcome which can be sufficed through a machine learning model, and so on and so forth. Right? So, what business wants, we build the AI technology around it, because of which it requires less amount of time, like 100x less time to go try and adopt and go live. It requires less cost, cheapest cost, and it requires least amount of resources and people around it, right? Which means is you can quickly try. The POCs which were running for months and years now can be done in minutes, maybe hours, maybe days, basis what complexity of the use cases. You can launch custom use cases the way you want. You can quickly visualize the outcome of AI for using all of our models across your use case. Any domain expert who understands business, who understands use case, can quickly spawn and see what AI can give an outcome for various business outcomes, and so on and so forth. We also have a lot of agents built in. We have thousands of agents which are pre-trained, pre-built for a lot of company use cases, which means is you can just spawn it on day one, in just few minutes. There are no drag and drops involved. It's just simple English steps. As long as you understand your language, as long as you understand the use case, and as long as you know what outcome you want, You can do semi-autonomous agents, you can do full autonomous agents. All the agentic platform complexities, whether it's single agent, multiple agent, coordination between agents, in case of multiple steps, integrations with thousands of applications, everything is taken care. We also give proactive insights, analytics at a workflow level using AI, so that all of you can see how data is behaving and what kind of outcomes are possible in businesses, right? So this all comes as full stack. We don't end up over there. A lot of companies, they started saying, hey, we want a company-wide search who can go and search through my documents, my data, and things like those. We have built an agentic AI search, very simple to use, simple natural language queries, and you can get all the results across your company portfolio of applications and data. You can interact with all of your applications using natural language, using our agentic actions. You can use our agentic analytics to get a lot of proactive insights and alerts and have the overall view of your company at one go. So to conclude, I'm very happy to launch world's first fully zero code, fully pre-trained, full stack AI platform as a service called as TheNoah.ai. It is made up and preloaded with thousands of use cases, all use cases pre-trained, because we believe every use case is a bespoke use case. Every domain is a bespoke domain. We have carefully crafted thousands of models, thousands of agents, thousands of insights, and a lot of simulation and a lot of data sets across each of the use case, very, very contextual to every use case. And the result is that now the companies, the domain users, the department users, the business users can quickly visualize the ROI, the benefits, and the outcome of AI on any use case with just simple 3 clicks. And that's pretty much it. Every business user or any domain expert can quickly spawn and run agents with simple natural language skills, and that's pretty much it. As long as you know your use case, as long as you understand the business outcome you want, TheNoah.ai is the solution for you.